What is up everyone, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a quick look at Polkadot here. We haven't looked at Polkadot in a good while, but as you can see, looking like most cryptocurrencies at the minute, basically a lot of altcoins, they are bleeding heavily, aren't they, against Bitcoin and against the market in general. And you can see very clearly here we are still in a downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs. We did have a nice little range that we were in for a good while here like this, but you can see obviously with the FTX crash, we came down, retested as that previous supporter's resistance, and then we have rolled down and created a new lower low over the past week or so. A lot of altcoins looking very bearish at the minute. People are obviously getting absolute capitulation and fear in the markets. You can see now we are down around 92% for Polkadot from those highs, and you can see we are probably going to be chopping it up in and around this previous area of structure here. We would say realistically now with Polkadot losing that low that of around here, we're probably looking to be targeting down at around that 360-ish level on that previous swing low. We would say around about here would probably be our next target realistically for Polkadot, considering that it is continuing to make lower lows. Interestingly enough though, it has actually broken out of a few resistances. You can see here we did get the breakout, the back test, and now another back test of this previous resistance as support. So we could see the price in the midterm maybe get scooped up in these areas. But for now, looking like we are just going to be focusing on the daily time frame. We've got some bullish divergences that are pretty obvious to us. You can see the RSI making higher highs and the price action making lower lows. So in the mid to long term, you would expect the price action to be weakening and probably going to be getting a bounce in those periods. But we'd say in the short term, obviously still looking bearish here, making lower lows and lower highs in a clear downtrend, and we'll probably see a continuation of this until we hit a key level, most likely down in and around that area that we did highlight. So overall for Polkadot, you can see on the hourly time frame pretty much what's happened again. We came down for the FTX crash. We form a little bit of a range looking something like this. And then we obviously lost the low here with Bitcoin getting rejected at the top of its range as well. Polkadot bleeding against Bitcoin here, and we have come down and made a new lower low. Probably going to see a bit of a continuation in the short term, we would say, for Polkadot. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video.